In this video, I'm going to show you how to create with Gemini 2.5 Flash, also known as Nano Banana, in Adobe Firefly. This video is sponsored by Adobe Firefly. Okay, here I am in Adobe Firefly, which you can get to at firefly.adobe.com. I just click on text to image, and right at the top left you can see under models it's defaulting to Gemini 2.5 Flash because I had used that previously. But as you can see, there's the Firefly Image 4 Ultra, Firefly Image 4, and then partner models underneath. So I just choose that and then get rid of a previous prompt, choose a image as reference at the bottom middle, go to image of me from Adobe Max in 2019, and then I have a prompt that I just paste under edit. So with this photo, make my coat purple, fuzzy texture, add shades, give me a black top hat, just hit generate, and then it'll create an image here at the bottom. So yeah, pretty great. So you click on it. A lot of fun with Gemini 2.5 Flash. So you can save it to favorites, share options, you can copy the image or open Adobe Express where you could add text or other animations. You can vote on it on the bottom left. In the edit menu, top left, you can generate video, go to generate fill, etc. And once again, you can open it in Photoshop Web, or where it says create a design, go into Adobe Express. But in my case, I'm just going to download it, top right, and then what you want to do is it's now referencing that image, and it says how do you want to change this image. So you can go to another prompt or type in what you want it to do. So I want to do something completely different. So I'm going to say put me in an astronaut suit, and I just hit generate. And the main thing is I want to make sure that my face is clear behind glass, and make the background an image of outer space. But yeah, there we go. Still holding my cup of water. And it still says teaching assistant from Adobe Max. I love it. So yeah, a lot of fun. So you can download that, favorite it, go back, and then even more fun, I can go back and add put me in a modern cyber robot suit, but make my face clear behind glass once again, and make the background an image of a futuristic city. So it does exactly what you ask. Gemini 2.5 Flash in Adobe Firefly or Nano Banana. So there's a lot of fun here. So yeah. And then download again, top right. And then last one, in dedication to Nano Banana, I'm going to say, put me in a bright yellow banana suit. Show my face through a circle in the suit. Make the background an image of a tropical jungle. So yeah. But in the text prompt, hit the generate button, and you get some fun and magic. So yeah. Gemini 2.5 Flash in Adobe Firefly, also known as you can see here, Nano Banana.